Hello guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a Gmail account without a phone number. It's very important because Google account is the most valuable asset you will ever have on this online space. You can use Google account on various things, creating a YouTube account where you can monetize and get paid, creating a TikTok account where you can get monetize and get paid, creating a Facebook account where you can monetize and get paid, creating a Twitter account where you can monetize and get paid. Gmail account goes a long way in creating an online presence, and most persons even need more than one account. Like me, I myself, I need more than one Gmail account. I already have up to like 5 or even more, but I need more accounts, and oftentimes I cannot create as much accounts as I want because the restriction of having a number before creating a Gmail account is there. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create a Gmail account from scratch, a new clean Gmail account without a phone number. And if you don't know how to make money with Gmail account, you don't know how to use this account to make money online, that's why you are on the right place. Welcome to the YouTube channel Online Hustlers Academy. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and share this video. Also drop a comment in the comment section so that I know where you're watching from. Drop your location from the comment section, and let's get right into the video. So creating your Gmail account is actually straightforward. As you can see here, after I logged out from Google, my main account, I clicked sign in with Google. There you get a sign in button and a create new account button. I'm just trying out the sign in button to show you, to check if this name that I want to use is existing or not. So I'm going to type Online Hustlers Academy. That is what I am typing. Guys, I never knew I misspelled the hustlers. Well, anyways, for the sake of this video, I'm just going to continue with the name. So here I'm going to confirm if this name is available. It shows me this error message. It means nobody have used this name, so I'll go ahead to create a new account. And I'm picking for work and business, so I'm going to put in my first name and I'm going to put in my second name. I'll be using Online Hustlers for the first name and Academy for the second name. Let me add the hustlers. Okay, so next, and here I'll put my date of birth. Yes, then I'll select male, or rather not say male. Now I'm going to create my own Gmail address, so I'll just paste that name I copied the other time, and I'll click next. So now I'm to choose a password. I'm going to just let Google pick a password for me so that I can save. Now you add a username. This is the username I am using, so that I can easily use this password anytime I want. I can't save that in my brain, guys. So next, and yeah, accept, agree. Once you agree, and voila, you've created a new account. Congratulations. Now you can see the account here. This is the account. This is the account. It's a full functional Gmail account. It's functioning 100%, guys. So this is how to create a Gmail account without your phone number. If you want to see how to create a YouTube account, Facebook account, any of the account, drop it in the comment section, and I would definitely respond with a video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. I love you all. Bye.